Here we're showing a short video on how to use the RENZ ECL360. So first of all, you have to select your wire size. In this case, it's 3/8 of an inch or 9.5 millimeters. So to select the closing diameter, you have to move this bar here to this silver pin. Okay, so you can see at the moment it's set to 3/8, which is where we want to be. If we want to change to another size, let's say for example 1/2 inch or 12.5 millimeters, what you have to do is loosen that first before you do anything, and then you can adjust it to whatever size just here. So there you go, 1/2 inch just there, and you can see, and when you get to that size you just lock it just here and then it stays in that position. If you don't unlock here and just turn this knob will just move on the shaft and it will give you a false reading, and you'll probably need a new handle at some stage. So in this case we're going to go back to 3/8 just there. I'm locking it there. We put our wire on the wire holder just there. Okay, I find it easiest if you put a little bit of a kink in the middle. When you lift it up, the wire won't fall off then. And then you put it flat against the back of a machine in there. Press the foot pedal, and the wire then closes. You then flip round your cover to hide the seam of the wire. And that's your document bound.